Welcome to Mix of Video Norway. The all-new EQB is the first electric car with 7 seats from Mercedes EQ. Four-wheel drive is standard. The EQB 300 has an engine of 228 horsepower and does 0 to 100 kilometers (h) in 8.0 seconds. Navigation with electric intelligence contributes to an effortless handling of EQB in everyday life. The system performs continuous area simulations with regard to, among other things, topography and weather, and calculates the fastest route to the destination, including necessary charging stops. It is also able to react dynamically to changes such as traffic situations or the driver's driving style. In addition, electric intelligence ensures that the battery is brought to an optimal charging temperature before a planned charging stop, if necessary. The robust character of the interior is emphasized by elements in aluminum. Depending on the design and equipment line, a spectacular backlit molding and rose gold-colored decorative elements provide clues to the electrical character of the EQB. Brand new EQB, an electric car with 7 seats from Mercedes EQ. EQB has a spacious interior. Here, 2 extra passengers with a height of up to 1.65 meters can sit comfortably. The cargo volume in the luggage compartment ranges from 465 to 1620 liters. The rear seat back on the second row can be adjusted in several steps as standard, and as an option, the entire row of seats can be adjusted lengthwise by 140 millimeters. It frees up a full 190 liters of space in the trunk. Up to 4 child seats can be inserted into the EQB, and the rear seats in the third row of seats can be laid flat on the floor. EQB 304M Progressive Edition Plus highlights equipment included. Advanced Plus package. Blind Spot Assist Fully Digital Instruments Thermotronic Climate Control Advanced Sound System Wireless Smartphone Charger 10.25 Media Display Keyless Go Comfort Package Mirror Package. Thanks for watching. Feel free to join our YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our new videos.